Mater nome, Mata upu, o sukulu manekasi, wai upu e ono. Ia o tō wha malosi, ma o tō loto te te. Awa tō ui te whewhe, awa fōi ne I matatau I o nā tō lima. Awa o lea hii o atu atua, Lua te o whaatasi maia, nā te re tuuna, ole nā te re nā whoi ia te oi. First of all, I thank God for the gift of life. I would like to say thank you to Lita for using her time to teach us in Sunday school. And I would like to say thank you to the Whawhiao for advising us for what is good for us and to do good in school. And I would like to thank my whole family for helping me with school, especially my parents for taking good care of me. Thank you.
Ano.